Disclaimer. Welcome to this tutorial on how to use WassupBot's Send tab features. Let's dive into the powerful functionalities together. Effortless Number Entry. As we enter the Send tab, you'll notice two areas, one for adding phone numbers and the other for composing messages. Let's dive into the options for adding numbers. You have three convenient methods at your disposal. Manual entry. Type phone numbers manually, separated by commas, or press enter. You can double tap to edit a number or press cross button to remove it. Upload Excel file. Simply click on the Upload Excel button on the top right corner and select your desired Excel file. Once uploaded, you'll have several options to customize your file, like choosing different sheets or specific columns. You can also select rows to send messages to and quickly switch to another Excel file using the This button on the left corner. Direct copy-paste. Either copy and paste number directly from Excel file or copy numbers from anywhere, even raw and unclean data, and paste them directly into the number input text area. WassupBot's intelligent filtering system will automatically extract valid phone numbers, so you don't have to worry about messy data. After selecting numbers, WassupBot offers the option to choose the country. Simply pick your recipient's country to add country codes automatically. WassupBot's intelligence ensures seamless handling, even if some numbers lack country codes. For multiple countries, select Multiple Countries option and ensure to add country codes to each number individually if Multiple Countries option is selected. Efficient contact filtering. After choosing your numbers, you have the power to refine your contact list with just a few clicks. Remove duplicate. Say goodbye to duplicate numbers. WassupBot lets you effortlessly filter out redundant entries for a clean and organized contact list. Remove wrong numbers. Avoid sending messages to non-existent or invalid numbers by using the Remove Wrong Numbers option. Remove non-WhatsApp numbers. Save time and resources by excluding non-WhatsApp numbers from your list. Pro tip: download filtered lists. Take your contact organization to the next level. Instead of removing the filtered numbers, use the download icon in each filtering option to generate an Excel file with both filtered and unfiltered numbers beautifully arranged. This way, you'll have a clean list while preserving the original data. Craft engaging messages. Now that your contact list is primed, it's time to create captivating messages. WassupBot offers a wide range of attachment options to elevate your communication. Attachment variety. Dive into a plethora of attachment options, including photos, videos, documents, stickers, audio, contacts, locations, and CTA call to action buttons. Your messages will come alive with media. Captions and View Once. Enhance photos and videos with captions, and enable View Once for photos and videos to create an element of curiosity and exclusivity. Send videos as GIF. Surprise your contacts by sending videos in GIF format. It's a fun way to keep them engaged. Document. You can choose anything like photo, video, any file to send as document. Stickers. Just choose any image to send it as sticker. Plus, you can record and send audio messages for a personalized touch, replicating the live WhatsApp mic experience. Moreover, you can send contact card. Just type your desired name and phone number with country code with it. On top of that, you can also send location. Just enter your place name, place address, latitude, and longitude. And guess what? We're working on an exciting CTA buttons attachment in beta phase, which will take your messages to the next level of interactivity with clickable link and buttons. Now let's take a look at message text area. Here we can type our desired text. Save time with templates and customizations. Save yourself from typing the same messages repeatedly. WassupBot's message templates feature allows you to store your typed messages for future use. Simply click on Save as Template icon and give your template a name. You can easily access all your templates by clicking on See All Templates icon. You can either use them or you can edit them. Moreover, you can see an option to add unsubscribe line. Just reply no if you don't wish to get message from us, just in one click. We can also see one option to edit the unsubscribe message and set our desired message for further use. But that's not all. WassupBot lets you go beyond generic messages. You can send personalized messages to each individual by using customizations. How? Simply upload an Excel file with columns corresponding to the customizations you want. For instance, add hey, name, and WassupBot will automatically replace name with each contact's actual name. And wait, there's more. You can even preview your messages before sending to ensure they're perfect for each recipient. Customize settings. WassupBots provide awesome settings which can be configured anytime. Set a random time delay, like randomly wait for some seconds between each consecutive messages. Batching and delay. You can also use batching and delay options. Example, send 10 numbers, wait 5 minutes, then again send 10 numbers, wait 5 minutes, and so on. Smart sending with AI anti-ban protection. Before we hit send, let's talk about WassupBot's AI-powered anti-ban tool, which keeps you safe from WhatsApp spam restrictions. We all know WhatsApp has rules to prevent spamming, and WassupBot is here to help you comply with them. The anti-ban tool will guide you with essential recommendations to avoid number bans or account suspensions, so you can message with confidence. Real-time sending and reports. The moment you've been waiting for, sending messages in real time. Witness your messages being sent in a stunning user interface that displays the status of each message. And here's a treat, you can download real-time reports in Excel format for your records. Pro tip, pause and stop sending. Need to take a break? You have the option to pause or stop sending messages at any time during the process. And there you have it, you've learned how to utilize WassupBot's Send tab features effectively. Enjoy a customized and secure WhatsApp experience with WassupBot. Thank you for watching and happy WhatsApping with WassupBot.